Hi, Kathy with Atlanta Area Property Management. The home we're going to take a look at today is Unit B of a duplex. It is a lovely remodel, 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. It sits on a cul-de-sac in the West End. It does have driveway parking, and it's just a darling little 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. So let's go take a look. Well, here's the gorgeous little duplex. We're going to take a look at Unit B. You can see that the lot is a nice level lot. It's got a lot of grass on it, a couple of steps going up to the front, a front porch, and Unit B is the one we're going to take a look at. So when we walk into the home, we walk right into a nice, huge living room. It's very spacious, got a nice big picture window and then a side window. It has fresh white paint and luxury laminate flooring. Nice ceiling fan, but it's quite large. There's the front door. Let's head on down the hallway. So the first room on our right is one of the bedrooms. A nice sized room with large closet, window blinds, also a ceiling fan. Luxury laminate, fresh paint. Let's step back on into the hall. Head on down and we come up to the next bedroom. The next bedroom is also another spacious room. This one has dual windows, laminate flooring, big closet, ceiling fan. Again, another very spacious room. When we step back into the hall and we go down the hall, we actually have the kitchen to our right, but let's take a look at the bathroom first. Has a nice tile surround, bright white vanity, new lighting. All right, let's take a look at the kitchen. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, an electric stove, vent. It does have a dishwasher and a deep basin sink. There's a little area for a breakfast table. And then let's take a look at this real quick. You can see a lot of cabinetry. The home is so cute. It has painted cabinets, window blinds, a really fancy light. Just gorgeous. And then off of the kitchen is another alcove area for the washer and dryer, and also access to the backyard. So there we go. Cute, cute home. Wasn't that a great home? It is just a lovely remodel. And it has a nice granite, has that luxury laminate flooring, so there's no carpet. So let's get your tour set up, get your application in, and let's get you moved into this gorgeous little duplex.